So, a day in the life of a wildlife rescuer. I've got this little tiny nestling. We've got a young dove there that's been in the vets, is okay. We've got a blackbird in there that I've not seen yet. I'm just the glorified taxi service. And in here we've got what I believe is a baby moorhen that was getting caught by a cat. And then in here we have another blackbird that's been caught by a cat. Hopefully they're all going to be okay. So we've got 5 little ones on board today, and also a very interested Malinois. Has it been a good babe? You've been a good girl.